Welcome friends. Today once again we are going to talk about a new program, and the title of a new program is drawing a line so it become triangle here. So how to draw a line in C program? For that actually I have written code here. So here is a command line, drawing a line. Here is header file stdio.s. Next is conio.s, and next is here graphics, because line means graphics, so we have to use here graphics.s. Next is here main function as usual, so we also use in previous program that videos or programs. Next is here CLIs here, clear screen. If we don't use then it's okay. So two variables we have to declare here, G driver and G mode. G driver actually we have to use detect it using detect keyword. So we have to initialize it here using init grps, and we have to give a path, so where our bgi is located. After that, one function we are using here, and that is line, and actually this function we have to use with 4 values. So this 500, it is called x1 value, x1 coordinate value. Next is this 100, it is y1 value, y1 coordinate we can say. 300, it is x2 value, and this 200, it is y2 value. So depending on this value, our computer draws line on given coordinate values, and after that it closes that open graphics. So let's run it to know its output. So here is the output. So if you want to change, you can change it, like you can change action value. Suppose if we give here 200, so its value changes. So we can see here action value changed. We can also change this x2 value. So here is straight line. So this is how we can draw a line using 4 values x1, y1 and x2. Thank you friend. Once again we'll meet in new video with something new program. Okay, bye.